I just got the iMethod 2-in-1 Fuller Brow Stylist. I'm so excited to use it. So that's what it looks like with the two little tips right there, and they're curved. This is gonna be the dark brown color. And then after I'm done, I will seal it all in with the gel. Okay, here we go. This is our before. I'm gonna use a magnifying mirror and I will be back with my after. Okay, wow, just did this brow. It's really simple. I can either get really up close or I'll show it on my hand here, but when you just do the little strokes, they're so fine. It's really simple to use. I feel like you can't mess up with it too much. Okay, let's see what happens when we gel it into place. That gel is really strong. I actually need to work on my gelling method. And what I might do is just use the color part alone or the gel part alone. So either getting them in place, but not together. I found I kind of struggled with like the ink showing up above the line. I don't know. It was a little more of a learning curve for me. That said, this is amazing. I love the dual purpose of it, and I love how thin you can make the brow strokes. Everything about this is awesome. I like that it has a super strong gel, and if you're looking for a really good brow pen and gel combo, this is awesome.